Okay, so we got some fun going on here. I'm gonna tell you about before we get up there. I've got a welding truck running right now just because these batteries aren't the best, but I want to make sure it runs. Then I'll probably just buy some fresh batteries. We're gonna try to start the dump truck. As you can see by the weeds growing in the back, this project has taken way too long, but engine's fully rebuilt. We've got fresh head on here. The only thing that's really missing is the exhaust clamp. It broke. I tried to weld it, didn't work. I tried buying a new one. The international dealer got me the, well, that was impressive. They got the wrong exhaust clamp, they got the wrong water pump gaskets, the wrong shift boot, and the wrong power steering filter from the VIN. 100% failure rate on a $300 order. That was impressive. Anyway, we got radiator out of my bus is in here. It's all rigged up. Our tank has been sandblasted and resealed, the surge tank. The thermostat, of course. We're all plumbed back up, and time to try to give it a start. We do have on here I bled everything except for the last injector. The last one hasn't bled yet. So usually you prime it up, turn it over a little bit with all the lines loose, and when they start to come out, you see there's a little bit of fuel there. You tighten them up, and that gets the air out of the lines. One all the way in the front is not fully primed, but I think it's going to start, and we'll just tighten it down as quick as we can. It's got all new rod and main bearings in it. And yeah, I'm waiting for a heater core to come in. That one the mice had made a house on top of. And when I put air to it, it leaked like a sieve. Bubbles everywhere. So international also on over $600 for that. So I ordered one online. Because this truck isn't that nice a truck. So let's give it a shot. Almost. Hey, our front line bled. Tighten that down. I'll show you how to do that. Sorry for the moving camera. So you see bubbles and fuel came out of this one. Now we'll tighten it down. This is what I did on the other ones. Usually leave them cracked on the injector end. Lets the air out. Alright. So they're all bled now. That's good. You guys will like this. Redid the lines. Redid all the hoses. I need a little plug to the end here. That's 22. It's just an empty casing, but it fit perfect. I couldn't find anything else to go in there. So, all new hose. Let's try it again. It's running. Not in all cylinders yet. working here, I'd call that a success. We're running. So, like, subscribe, comment. This has been a long time in the going. Just blew off its air again.